Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today we're going to pan-fry pork chops with onions. This dish could be served in 3 different ways. Let's get started. I used it 4 pieces of boneless lawn chops. If you prefer, you can also use bone-in. The tenderization is the same. Wash and pat dry. Use the back side of the cleaver. Pound on the meat to break down the muscle fibers. Flip the meat over and do the same on the other side. If you used a meat tenderizer, heat the surface evenly on both sides. Make a few cuts through the outer edge of the fat to prevent it from curling up when cooked. Acids can also help tenderize the meat by breaking down the protein in the muscle. Apple cider vinegar, kiwi fruit, and pineapple can be used as a natural tenderizing agent. I prefer the zesty flavor of lemons, so we will add lemon juice to tenderize the pork chops. Here are the ingredients for the marinade. 3/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar to balance the lemon juice acidity, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice for about 1 pound of meat. Do not add too much lemon juice. The acidic taste will overwhelm the flavor of the pork chops. Add in some ginger and garlic slices. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. For the best result, marinate it overnight. We will also need 1 medium onion. Choose any type of onions that you like, white, yellow, or red. Trim off the stem and root. Peel off the skin. Cut the onion in half. Slice coarse-wise into 1/4-inch moon-shaped strips. Separate the slices. Before frying the pork chops, remove the ginger and garlic slices. Coat a thin layer of cornstarch. The cornstarch adds some crunchiness texture. It also helps keeping the moisture in the meat. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Sear the pork chops on one side over medium-high heat. This takes about 1.5 minutes. Flip and sear the other side for 1.5 minutes as well. Add in the onions. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Turn up the heat to high and cook for about 1 minute with the lid on. This helps soften the onion and infuse the flavor into the meat. The cornstarch of the meat thickens and everything binds nicely together. The cooking time is about 5 minutes for a 1/2-inch thick pork chop. If you don't like onions, just pan-fry them straight through the 5 minutes. When you properly tenderize the pork chops, they will turn out tender and juicy. Top it on a bun and make a simple burger. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.